Good afternoon, CREF. My name is Jason Warren. I am the collision refinishing instructor here at Dos Palos High School. I want to start off by thanking you for last year's grant money. We used that money to purchase 2 new welders and a couple of welding helmets. That's going to go towards our fume extracting welding booths, and students will be able to practice their ICAR style welding, doing 8mm plug welds, 6mm plug welds, lap welds, butt welds, with ICAR coupons. This year we like to focus on stands. We have lots of doors, fenders, hoods, bumpers, bedsides, but we have no stands. We have a couple folding stands, but we could use some fender stands and door stands and bumper stands, which is going to help us stay organized. We have a 3,500 square foot shop, so we don't have a lot of room for cars, but they can have their individual projects that can correlate with the curriculum. So that's what our focus point is on this year. As you can see, we have doors, we do have bumpers. So thank you again, and we appreciate everything you do for us.